So there's one thing I'm wondering. We're getting these boxes for more than 6 months now. But did we ever get a marshmallow?
We did,
We did?
but I didn't get to eat it
Oh, okay.
because someone stole it.
Okay, that's another one. Not me, of course.
No.
I'm not gonna do it to her.
Someone else stole it.
So maybe can we, in the next month, will you be so gracious to,
Send us some more marshmallows.
yeah, we like it. We want it. Who doesn't?
Hello and welcome to Vegan Middle Eats with Melis Amber. I'm Emre.
No, you're not. I am Emre. So
No, I'm Emre.
which box is this?
This is the Vegan Cuts December box, and it's so tiny this month, but it still has a fair amount of stuff in it. So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, what should we try first?
Let's start with this.
Okay, 100% veggies, roasted edamame crunch dried snacks, gluten-free, edamame salt, and nothing else, registered trademark. Guess what? It contains soy.
Of course, I have to interrupt here by saying I don't know what edamame is, so...
They're soybeans.
Okay. All right. Thank you. It's just like a science experiment,
Can you see it? Jack and the Beanstalk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't come with a very heavy taste. I don't know if that's a thing in English. Like it's
Strong taste.
strong taste. I think this is nice. Yeah, it's. I guess under normal circumstances, it can. I'm quoting, satisfy your snack cravings. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. She doesn't agree, but whatever. 7.5.
Yeah. I agree.
Let's go ahead and yeah.
What is sorghum? Sorghum is the 5th most harvested cereal grain on the globe. In the USA, over 8 million acres of land is devoted to sorghum farming. The sorghum used for mini pops is specifically grown to be of the highest quality and free of genetic modification. So this is called mini pops. So this is like popcorn but made from another grain. And it's lemon flavored.
Lemon flavored. So
Oh my goodness, it's even smaller then.
yeah, watch. Maybe you may want to show it a bit.
I don't even know how to show this. It's so small. I like these.
You want more?
Yeah. That's enough.
What? I said that 7 because I can only taste the lemon, which I don't think should be dominant in what was this? Popcorns, yeah.
Original burdock root chips. Original lotus root chips. Vegan, non-GMO, no MSG, soy-free, gluten-free, nut-free. This sample is not for sale. And how come I bought it?
I guess someone is being cheap.
This
Thank
is
you.
a lotus root. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, it has rice flour, canola oil, garlic powder, and salt. I'll find a burdock root. So this is what a burdock root one looks like.
Yeah, I'm not sure I like the taste of this either.
I like these a lot. Stacy and Mom have got it going on. You know that song?
No.
Stacy's mom had it.
So you gave it a 9 and I gave it a 7.5, let's say. I don't want to be really brutal about that.
These are delicious.
So this is roasted raw beans. It has garlic and onion. It's from the Enlightened, the Good For You Crisp. And it says, go ahead, spill the beans. Alright. Of course you're expecting some fat, fiber, calories and whatnot. Calories. Everything is calories, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Let's see. Here you go. See what it should do.
I like these better than the edamame.
I like
these
this.
are these are fava beans, so you know the other thing you make paste of, like not like the hummus, like hummus, but the other one.
What?
So you know it's not hummus,
Mm-hmm.
but it's similar paste.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same meat that they make.
Alright. So far in this box, this is the best thing I had, so I'll say 9. 9,
I
yo.
would say 9.
Very nice.
Now we'll move on to sweet things.
What is this?
I think we should open that because then we have to try it.
Yeah. This
Okay.
candy bar.
Candy bar?
Yeah, let's go ahead with that.
This is called Eli's Earth Bars Treasure Bar. Peanut butter crunch on caramel. Is it so good? It looks kind of like a Snickers bar. Oh. But not on the inside.
Are there any nuts in there?
Yeah, it's like peanut.
Okay.
Ah. Mmm.
It's almost juicy.
Mmm. So it has caramel at the top, and then like a inside of a peanut butter cup under it.
Mm. I would have liked to taste a little bit more of the chocolate itself.
I would have liked like a crunchy nut
Mm.
and maybe a little bit more caramel.
Yeah. Still, I guess that's an 8 for me.
I think an 8 for me too.
Are we being generous today? Or?
No, I think they're just good.
Mm.
There's another candy bar. And then there's a
Kashi.
granola bar.
Let's go ahead.
Chocolate almond sea salt chewy granola bar from Kashi. Everybody knows Kashi.
Huh? Let's split it into two.
Okay. I guess he's not so excited about it.
I mean, I can see nuts and whatnot, but then it's gonna be too much sweets for me. Then I wouldn't be able to taste. What is this?
Mmm. That's good.
Yeah.
That is a very nice granola bar. Probably the best granola bar I've ever had. What flavor is this again? Chocolate almond sea salt. Yeah, that sounds about right. I feel like it has some coconut in it. It does not. I would give it an 8.5.
I'll give this 7.5 because I just realized that I don't really like granola, so sorry.
Granola is just oats.
Hmm?
Granola is just oats.
Still.
Okay. What next? What next?
What do we have anyway?
So,
Just this.
yeah, there's also
What else?
another candy bar and a mint chocolate.
We just showed that, I guess.
Okay, so this is the last thing we'll try, and then I'll show you the rest of everything. This is endangered species chocolate bark, almond and peanuts dark chocolate.
Okay. Sounds promising.
Yes, and it's
Good packaging.
good packaging. And they donate 10% of their.
But I still find it interesting that they call it chocolate bark, but there is a picture of a, what is it?
A puma or something. Chocolate
Do
bark?
they bark?
No, bark just means it's like a bar kind of thing. It's not about like bark like a dog.
Like the one outside?
Yeah. In the meantime, we have this Rice Delights Rice Krispie bar thing that's like flavored.
Did that okay. I thought it's 16.
No. A gravy mix. Some vegan Nutella. Some mint
Oh.
chocolate.
These are like rocks, man.
Another candy bar. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. This is what it looks like.
They're all like that. Oh, that's another one.
Yum.
What? Yeah, I can taste that very clearly.
Yeah.
And I think it's a problem.
You don't like it?
No, it's... The idea of a salty chocolate is not a good one for me.
Mm. I like salty chocolate. Yeah.
What do you say?
I'm gonna give it another 9.
7.5. So, yeah.
I would say, even though we've been rating things really highly, I still think the last box was slightly better.
Yeah, definitely. Because there was a consensus between us also.
These are pretty delicious things. Alright, thanks. Please love us. We love you. Are you trying to see if they're